Today I would like to show how we can set wallpaper in WhatsApp. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to WhatsApp apps, then open an account, then click on three-dot menu here. After that, tap on wallpaper, then tap on solid color. You can select gallery also, and you can select others picture from wallpaper library also. I select solid color. After tap on color is showing, you choose as per your choice. I choose this one. Tap on and again tap on set. Then it's already done. So enjoy these tricks and subscribe our channel and press the bell button also for our next video update. Enjoy.